just filming it.
Yeah, just in case, James.
Just in case. Rock, fall, please, now. Please.
The colours are beautiful on them, though.
Yeah, they really are. They really are.
We're really blessed to be able to stay an extra day.
Yeah, we really are. Hold the ball. If you drop your phone, don't drop your phone. Be careful. If you drop your GoPro, we can always just come back down and receive it. Actually, no. If it falls on the cliffs, you can't get it.
James?
Yeah. Oh yeah, you got it there.
If I drop my GoPro, that means we all dropped into the ground.
Yeah.
Look at the seagulls.
Yeah.
They're nesting.
I think they know which rock is about to go, and they just know not to sit on
No,
it.
the rock is very close.
Yeah, that one. I'm moving towards the centre a little bit.
I thank you for being here. It's much more stable now. Mine was swaying. Oh my goodness, James. So much fun. And guess what? We'll make it for dino golf.
I thought Mum would be here longer, honestly. Oh yeah. I forget about that.
No. She's a great sport.
If I jump on the cliff, right, that's just right there, do you think I'll make the rock fall?
Probably. I like that one over there. You'll definitely make that fall.
Oh yeah, definitely.
I mean,
and I just shout, "Roar!"
No, you'll be shouting, holy crap, I'm falling down.
Smile for the camera. Do you want souvenirs? Why are you shaking?
I'm not.
Oh, it's just...
I'm just passing gas.
And now you've made it shake.
Yes. Next holiday I'm gonna get the video camera we had in Croatia, not a little tape one.
Yeah, but if the rock falls, we'll probably hear it.
I will hear it miles away. So you give it to your mom so she can record us more. This camera's too heavy for her.
I just told Mum not to drop her phone. Imagine she dropped it as soon as I said that. You know what's interesting? It's like when you tell someone something, it's like they're like, oh, like what? And they forget what they're holding. Then they drop.
And they forget what they're doing and they fall over.
Yeah.
That too must never tell someone who's climbing a tree to be careful or watch out. Because they will fall out of the tree.
I feel bad for the children that are scared to go on this thing.
Well.
I mean, I was a little bit nervous, but I know my family will force me to put me on it, so my mum forced me to put it on it, so I just said, okay, just get out of my hockey mentality. Oh my god, actually, yeah, we probably could have beat this thing, actually.
Oh, absolutely, we could have trashed it. What is this? Is this dino golf? If it is, we're not playing it.
Really?
Look at this.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Is that exciting for you?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it then.
It's golf. Look, they got bows. Look at bows and stuff. Look at that. Bows and stuff.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, let's play disc golf. I was wanted to go and play one on the beach.
It's shaking.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
I think this one's going to be harder to get off of.
Yeah, we'll have to just watch out for your mom.
I love the way that person that just got off, right? They literally had to say to him, don't worry about the bar, carry your shaft. It's just like, huh? I'm sorry, but yes, hold your shaft more.
Let's see if your mom makes that alright.
Yeah, Mum will make it off.
There it is. She good dismount there. The gymnast. Yeah. What come on, mate? Distract me on. Thank you.